Hey everybody, it's John here from Sound Connection. Today we're going to talk about the Pro Series R5 remote car starter from Compustar. This little guy is packed full of features. So to start off with, it is a two-way, 2-mile LED remote car starter. You get two remote controls with it. They're identical remote controls. Both of them are 2 miles, both of them are 2 ways. So with this, on the 2-way, it's a 1 button, so everything's controlled with 1 button. Quick tap to lock, double tap to unlock, press and hold to remote start. Once you do that, it'll send a signal out to the vehicle. The vehicle receives the signal, sends the confirmation back to this remote. It'll start beeping and blinking to let you know that it has started. Now, they are IPX7 rated, so you can submerge them up to 30 minutes in 1 meter of water, which means that dropping it in the snow in the middle of winter is no big deal. Nothing's going to happen to it. They do come with a 2-year warranty from Compustar, but if you purchase it from us at Sound Connection, we upgrade you to a 3-year warranty for your remote controls at no additional charge. Now, a really cool feature about this is it has proximity unlocking. What that means is when you walk up to your vehicle, it's going to sense this remote in your pocket. It's going to automatically unlock the car for you without having to do anything. You can keep them right in your pocket, right in your purse. It's going to automatically unlock it for you. This is a fantastic remote control. It also comes with DroneMobile. So with your cell phone, you get 30 days of free DroneMobile. That allows you to lock, unlock, or remote start your car from anywhere that you have cell phone reception, unlimited range. You can also sign up for the full tracking system. So if you want to be able to track your car and know where it's at, you can even get in and you can check the temperature inside of your vehicle to let you know if you're ready to go out there yet. So you get full communication. Again, 30 days for free. You don't even have to put in a credit card. Try it before you buy it. It comes with this system. That's the Pro Series 2-way R5 from Compustar. So today I want to tell you guys a little bit about the behind the scenes parts of the remote car starter. The remotes are the cool flashy part, but this is the behind the scenes. This is the under the dash stuff that we do for you that you're never going to see. What I have in my hand here is the actual control module. This is the brain box for the remote car starter. And then in here, this little sliding module here, this is our security interface. This is what helps us get past your key immobilizer systems on your vehicles. These are all of the wires needed on a remote car starter. This is what we hook up into your vehicle. Whenever we install a remote car starter, we're going underneath the dash and we're splicing in all of these wires. We're gonna bare back the insulation. We're gonna wrap it around. We're gonna solder it. We're gonna double black tape it and then tessa tape over the top to keep everything neat and clean. Ran with all of your factory wiring to keep it out of sight as much as possible. Now, there's a great option that Compustar has released over the last few years, and that's what's called the integration harness. So this harness is made with OEM grade and style connectors. What this allows us to do is we can go into the vehicle, we can unplug the mating connector from your vehicle's BCM, plug it in here through this T-harness style system, and you can see all of these connectors that we have here to work with. And then what this does is it gives us an incredibly clean installation with cutting very minimal or splicing to very minimal wires. If this option is available for your car, we highly recommend getting one of these. It just keeps everything so neat and so clean. That's some of the behind the scenes stuff when it comes to remote car starters.